This song sounds deep, emotional and haunting, but it's easier to play than you think. I'll guide you through it. Hey, it's Nicola here from Accordion Joy. Today I've got a treat for you. We are learning Moscow Nights. That's one of the songs that makes you fall in love with the accordion all over again. And to make it really easy for you, I've made a free copy of sheet music and I linked it down there in the description. Go grab it so you can follow along with me in this tutorial. Alright, let's break it down nice and easy. We are going to start very slow, no rushing, no pressure. You're gonna love this. So first I'm gonna play the whole song through in very slow tempo so you can follow along. Alright, for some of you that couldn't get all this together at the same time, we're gonna go with only right hand and I will name the notes that I'm playing. So let's go from the beginning. D, F, A, F, G, F, E, A, G, D. Okay, those are first 4 bars. Next we go with thumb from D to thumb to F, and then we play F, A, C, D, C, B flat, A, B natural, C sharp, E, D, A. Okay, and here on the A we need to do something to take, so we take it first with the thumb, and while holding the A we take it over with 4, then we have E, D, A, G, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, A, G, D. Alright, and then again, completely the same. B natural, C sharp, E, D, A, E, D, A, G, B flat, C, G, B flat, sorry, A, G, F, A, G, D. And hey, if at any point you would like me to personally walk you through this song or any other tune you like, I've opened up a few spots for a free trial lessons. Yep, completely free. Just head over to accordionjoy.com, grab a spot and let's meet face to face. Because trust me, you are not too old, you don't need talent, and you are 100% capable of doing this. Alright, let's wrap up this tutorial with me helping you learn the left hand. So just follow along, I will name the notes that I'm playing. So the rhythm is 4/4, but the bass is a little bit more tricky because you play 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you have 1/4, then you have 2 8 notes, then again 3, 4. In general it's just regular rhythm, so it's not irregular, but it's, let's say, not usual. Okay, so we start with the D minor. So D minor 2 times, so and then again D minor, G, D minor, G minor, A7, and again D minor. Jump over to F down there, F major, B flat major, C7, F major. Okay, so this beginning can be a little bit tricky and jumpy, so you will need to practice it a little bit more to get it right. After that, you got only D minor, G minor, and A7, and that should be pretty easy. So just this first line, let's say, and the first bar of the second line, it's a little bit more tricky. Just follow this tutorial and get the free sheet music that I've linked in the description, and it should be pretty easy to play it. Now, if you are curious to hear how this song sounds like when it's played with a little passion and a lot of heart, I recorded a special performance just for you. Click the link down below to check it out. I think you are going to love it. And hey, don't forget, the free sheet music is waiting for you in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!